In this video, I will answer the question, is Beehiiv worth it? So if you're considering starting a newsletter and you found Beehiiv to be the best platform, but you're not sure if it's worth the price compared to, for example, Substack, which can be used for free, then this is the perfect video for you. So in order to determine whether it's worth it, first we need to determine how much it costs. So they have a free plan for up to 2,500 subscribers, which will be enough if you are a beginner. However, their paid plans start at $39.20 per month. You can see usually it's $49, but if you do want to try it out, then through the link in the description you will get 20% off. So therefore it shows the discounted price here. Now here you will get access to, for example, the ad network, boost network, paid subscriptions and more. So if you want to monetize your newsletter, you will need to get the skill plan. Now I'll go over what exactly these features are and why, in my opinion, they make it definitely worth it to go with Beehiiv over other tools such as Substack. So I've just logged into a new Beehiiv account right here, and what you can see is in the left you have a monetize section. Now under there you have ads, boosts and paid subscriptions. I'll go over each of them. First, paid subscriptions is just that you can set up a newsletter which you charge a subscription for example, $5 per month. Then the ads is basically an ad network that Beehiiv has, where they have a bunch of advertisers looking to advertise on newsletters, and you can basically make deals with those advertisers, and Beehiiv makes this very easy since they just have their partners. For this, you will need to upgrade to Max if you want direct sponsorships, so you can then just see them yourself. And if there are any available opportunities, you will see those right here, but of course you will need to have a few subscribers in order to start getting opportunities. But this makes it very easy to find good advertisers and to actually take the payments for your newsletter. Finally, probably the easiest way to make money is boosts. So you can see they have a marketplace of boosts, and essentially what a boost is that on your newsletter you promote a different newsletter, and that newsletter that you promote gives you a certain amount of money per subscriber that you refer to them. So for example, here you have a newsletter called the AI Report, and you can feature this in your newsletter. For example, say, hey, if you're interested in AI, you can check out this newsletter, and if they then sign up through your link, you will get $2.16 per subscriber that signs up. So you can then click apply, and for this you will also need to upgrade to skill, as I mentioned earlier, which costs $39.20 per month, which means you will only need to refer less than 20 people per month, which already makes you back your money. But you can also run the paid subscriptions, where for example you only need 8 people to subscribe for $5 per month, and with ads you can also make much more than $40. So is Beehiiv worth it? In my opinion, it 100% is. Some of the largest newsletters in the world are hosted on Beehiiv, and that's for a good reason. So you can see some of them right here. And I think Beehiiv is the best newsletter platform, especially in terms of monetization options and ease of use. Now, if you would like to get started with Beehiiv, through the link down in the description, you can get a 30-day free trial and then 20% off of any of their plans for the first 3 months of you using Beehiiv. So if you want to claim that deal, the link will be down in the description. So now you know that, in my opinion, Beehiiv is 100% worth it. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.